How to create a mock face shield for PPE training. Well, hi. Here's what the face shield looks like completed. As you can see, it can go up and over the head, securing just like a regular face shield down to the chin. Pretty good. Supplies you'll need: hand sanitizer, paper towels, clear transparency film or plastic document protectors, a stapler, masking tape, 2 rubber bands, 1 rubber band cut in half, and stapler remover if something goes awry. That's all you need. Step by step. Alright, first things first, hand hygiene before you start crafting stuff. This is going to come into close contact with learners right up to their faces, so we want to make sure we're taking proper precautions. Everything is as clean as possible. Take your paper towels, you're going to remove 1 long strip, move it horizontally, and fold it down into thirds. Then you're going to take your clear transparency film or your plastic sheet protector. You're going to insert it into the fold, and you are going to staple down 4 times. Now you want to determine which side is facing the learner. That is the side I'm going to be stapling on, so that the top of the staple is facing the learner. Now I recorded this bit at a later date because one of my coworkers improved the design and I wanted to make sure that improvement was included. Thank you very much, my coworker. Here we go. Now if you have a hole puncher, use a hole puncher, but if not, you can use some scissors to punch a hole towards a top corner of the face shield. And then I punch the entire scissors through to make an even wider hole. Our rubber bands are going to be looped through there, making another hole through the other corner, punching through, widen the hole. Now I'm grabbing my rubber bands and I'm going to loop them through those holes. Once it's on the other side, I'm taking the end loop, thread the needle, and pull tight. So now it has a nice secure loop. Same thing on the other side. Pushing one end of the rubber band through, and the other side, thread the needle with the other loop. Now I have a wonderful secure loop. Thank you, coworker, again. Grab your masking tape. We're going to tape down the sides where we just made our loops to secure them down, and I'm making sure that I am taping down all the way so I'm touching a bit of that plastic transparency for extra securement. Same thing other side, taping down to the plastic over top of the paper towel and where the loop has been secured. Now I'm using masking tape to tape across the exposed staples. We don't want to scratch, cut any faces, we don't want any hair getting caught in there. And when I'm going across the staples, I'm also going across the rubber band loops. And one more time, going up over top of the loops and where the masking tape is meeting, just for added security of all of it. And that's good. Final stage, I'm going to take one of the rubber bands you cut in half. You're going to be tying this to one of the rubber band loops. You're going to make a knot, pull it tight, and one more knot for added security, pull that tight, and same thing to the other loop, making a complete elastic headband. You want to pay attention to which side is learner facing. That's where you want to tie, so it can go up and around the head. And there you have it. It is done.